Hi guys, welcome to episode 19 already of the PGN Piano Theory course. In this episode I'm going to teach you how to use the circle of fifths in order to match major and minor scales. Now you might remember from earlier in the course that it's actually possible to match a major and a minor scale. And one of the examples I gave you was the C major scale. So if we have a look at that, C major, and all of the notes in the C major scale are wide notes. And then if we have a look at the A minor scale, we have the same, okay, so also only wide notes. Therefore, the notes in the A minor scale are the same as the notes in the C major scale. It's not the same scale, don't get me wrong, but the notes are the same. So if you want to match a major and a minor scale using the piano, that's quite easy. As I told you, you're going to drop down 3 half notes and you'll end up right there on the A, and then you know that the A minor scale has the same notes as the C major scale, okay? If you don't play piano or you don't have a piano handy, it might be easy for you to use the circle of fifths in order to find that scale anyway. Okay, so all you have to do in order to find the matching scales is you have a look at the scale you want to match to. So if you're starting on a major scale, you want to start on the note of that scale, the ground note, the tonic, which is the C, and then you're going to go clockwise on the circle of fifths for 3 notes. So from C you move to G, D, A, and then as we've seen before, we end up on A minor. Okay? So if you want to do the same for G, and you want to figure out which minor scale it will match, you go clockwise for 3 steps, so D, A, E, and therefore the E minor scale will have the same notes as the G major scale. Okay, and you can do this for any key, doesn't matter. You can go from D flat and then you'll end up on B flat. You could go from F and you'll end up on D, etc, etc. Now if you want to go from minor to major, then what you want to do is go counterclockwise for 3 steps. Of course, if we start on A, you go counterclockwise for 3 steps, we find this C. Okay, if we start on E flat, we go counterclockwise and we'll finish up on G flat. It's that easy. So this was the final lesson about circle of fifths, and now in the next lesson we're going to start with chords, and that's where it's going to get really interesting, really fun. And if you follow all of these lessons, you're going to learn so much stuff about improvising, about playing songs in like 10 minutes flat. All that type of stuff. Is just really important to get a good grip on your chords. So let's start that right now.